Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Gemini for Google Workspace automation and summaries, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Gemini for Google Workspace automation and summaries, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. Log in using your administrator account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on Google Workspace to expand the options. Select Marketplace apps from the list of available services. In the upper right corner, click on the plus icon to add a new app. Search for Gemini in the search bar. Select Gemini from the search results. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Accept the necessary permissions for Gemini to function within your domain. After installation, return to the Marketplace Apps section to confirm Gemini appears in the list. Once confirmed, navigate back to the main Google Admin Console menu. Click on Security in the left sidebar. Scroll down to find API Controls and click on it. Within API Controls, locate Manage Domain-Wide Delegation. Click on Add New to set up delegation. In the prompted fields, enter Gemini's client ID. Then, specify the necessary scopes that allow Gemini to perform automation tasks. Click Authorize to finish setting up domain-wide delegation. Next, open your Google Drive and create a new document. This document will be used to set up your summary automation. In the document, add the content you want Gemini to summarize. Ensure the content is well formatted for easy processing. Visit the Gemini integration settings to configure automation preferences. Customize triggers for when Gemini should summarize content. Set preferences for output formatting in the summary. Save your settings and return to your Google Drive document. In the document, highlight the text you want summarized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.